Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny Sapon. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. I am testing out the new One Size Hydrating Secure the Glow Primer. And if you're curious to see how well this sits, how it wears, and how it blends, just keep on watching. So let's get started. I'm going to pull back my hair. I curled my hair with the Shark Flex, hoping, it would be a little bit more like voluminous, but it's actually more frizzy and messy than I actually anticipated. Let's get started on this primer. It's supposed to have 24-hour hydration. It's all day makeup wear. It has beta glucan and hyaluronic acid, omega fatty acids, black tea, and antioxidants, which I have dry skin. If you're new around here, also I should probably reintroduce myself, but I do have dry skin. All this stuff is just very, very just exciting for me. It has a little bit of scent to it, but nothing like that's gonna, I feel like it won't linger, but it does feel very cooling on the face. It does feel smooth as well, so I am super excited. I also have a full day-to-day of errands and everything like that, so I'm excited to see how well it wears. There's like not any actual real instructions because you know how like the milk it's supposed to like pat in, but this one I just kind of rubbed in. But it's supposed to be 100% agreed. Skin feels hydrating all day, provides a healthy look and glow and smooth skin texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit in for a little bit. I do have two little friends visiting me today, which is kind of annoying, but I guess it'll be a good thing to see if it'll even everything out. So it is starting to feel tacky, like drying down, but like not tacky in a way of like, ew, it feels gross. It just feels tacky, like it's definitely settling in. So I'm super excited. I don't know how long I'm supposed to actually wait. So I'm just gonna get started on my foundation. So when I test new primers, I always use my favorite foundation. It's the YSL All Hours Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Warm 9. And I'm gonna go in with just this Stands Out Beauty Sponge. I'm testing it out. I don't know if I like it or not. So it looks like everything is blending out pretty good. I'm gonna get a little bit more just so that I can add more. My shade is probably off, so I'm gonna need you guys to not judge me on that and just focus on how it wears. So far, I would say my makeup is looking pretty good. There's a mirror right here, so I'm like looking off to the side. I feel like everything is sitting in so good. This foundation really works. I feel like since they changed the formula as well, it looks even better. But I'm gonna go in and focus on a little bit more on like the nose area and this area right here, because I do tend to get super sweaty and that's where like my makeup will start rubbing off. I did mention that I did feel a bit of tackiness when it was like drying down, but as I layered foundation over, it is not tacky. I don't feel like the stickiness of it, so I feel like everything is sitting down beautifully. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. So I am newly engaged and wedding date isn't going to be till like 2025 of like August. But I am slowly starting to go back and testing out new makeup and seeing what's blending and everything and like that and what's going to work out. And if this primer works out throughout the day, it might be on the list of things to wear on my wedding day. I've been loving the launches of the new makeup this year and it's pretty dangerous for my wallet, but I'm so excited because I feel like for a while makeup was kind of dry and because I have been wanting to get back into YouTube again because I've just been thinking about it and I really enjoy it. And so especially with the new makeup and everything like that, it's just gonna be even more exciting. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what in the comment section if you guys want to see more lifestyle videos, if you guys want to see more beauty related content, if you guys want me to test out new makeup. I am also very active on my TikTok account. I'm working on building that platform as well. So, and I post more. I post a lot more on that platform. So if you're curious in what I'm up to, what I'm doing, definitely. And you can also follow me on Instagram as well. I do post my, I do have a series there called I Bought It So You Don't Have To. And I love buying out new viral products and testing it out for you guys, and you guys know if it's worth it. On YouTube, it's more of longer videos, first impressions. But I'm definitely open to other types of videos. So if you want to see more of get ready with me, a day in my life, vlogging. I don't live a very interesting life, so if I vlog, it won't be very interesting because I spend a lot of time working, and if not working, I'm just working out and binge watching shows and napping. I'll say this is blending out so good. I am so happy with how it's looking. Anything one size though, it is just chef's kiss. I love it so much. And so it's kind of hard not to hate it, you know? And I had high hopes for it, and so far it's living up to my expectations. I'm just curious to see how this is gonna last all day. I'll probably post in the comment section or the description to let you guys know how it wears. I'll probably update on my Instagram as well. So I'm pretty sure I'm using the wrong side. I need to clean this out. This is so embarrassing. Like, this sponge used to be like this color. But the one thing I purchased, the reason why I purchased this sponge, this Stands Out sponge, is because you can use it dry or wet, and like it won't, I guess, like ruin the makeup or anything like that, because sometimes with a dry sponge it just won't work as well. So that's why I purchased this, because sometimes I'm just a little too lazy to go wet it and then get ready. So there's that. But I will say I'm very impressed. Everything's blending out so beautiful. Like I said, it'll just, the ultimate decision making is just gonna see how long this is gonna last throughout the day. I purchased this and it came in the mail the other day, and it's just so beautiful. I can't stop thinking about it. This is kind of weird. It's makeup. I really shouldn't be. This is the completed makeup look. I'm actually very happy with it. Everything blended out so good. My skin feels hydrated still. So far, it's a 10 out of 10. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it throughout the day after I test it out, and I'll put it in the comment section. But so far, one size, I'm very impressed. 10 out of 10. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, if you're excited to try this out, what you want to see next. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.